For the repair of the electro-pneumatic controller by Controls Inc., following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 24V DC power supply. BU turning on the controller, the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see that the screen lights up. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the electro-pneumatic controller by Controls Inc. is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.